friends from the media and the lovely people who are here for a grazin of new harvest. And I'm so delighted to see the very ravishing and awesome looking Shefali Jariwala along with the most rocking gentleman here in the room. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome our chair special as I thank all the friends from the media for being here with us for this grand celebration as we announced exactly 3 weeks spectacular place in the country with 53 clubs across India in different cities. We are truly overwhelmed to welcome each and every one of you here at the Baisakhi ki Raat. मेरा नाम है सिमरन आहूजा और मैं तहे दिल से आप लोगों का स्वागत करना चाहूँगी।
A great occasion and a very beautiful occasion. I mean, so many lovely people are here, and well, I think Simran just summed it up. We are heavily into social media, and I think that's one of the reasons why we are meeting here. And because I mean, Shefali's post, I mean, inviting all of you people here, really has got a fantastic response. A lot of people are here, a lot of couples are here, and also today is a Baisakhi Day, huge celebrations. I think we're just beginning. A lot of people are yet to come. I think in the next half hour or so, I think the entire launch will be full. And now just to take you back to a little bit on the social media, there is roughly about 4.4 billion people who are into social media, and one of the main reasons why we have chosen this route is because it's very cost effective, and I think it's the new trend, new digital trend, and I think Country Club as always is ahead of times, and we want to get glued to this social media, and it is one of the most economical form of reaching out to a lot of members, non-members, and people around the world. Our brand Country Club will be exposed through Twitter, Facebook, as well as Insta. So this is going to be a historic beginning for us, and as I can tell you very openly, well, it's for me also it's a learning experience. For me, every day is a learning experience when I meet a lot of youngsters and a lot of people like Shefali, Simran and all that who really, I mean, throw a lot of light and who really educate me on the positive impact of the social media. So thank you, keep rocking, all the best, happy Vaisakhi again.
Welcome to Country Club. It's a lovely evening today. It's a bit hot, I agree, but I'm sure you guys are having a lot of fun. आज बैसाखी है. It's a very joyous occasion. आज हम सब बैसाखी साथ में मनाएंगे and I'm very excited. और मैं excited और इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि आज Country Club की वजह से मेरे dear friend श्री राजीव रेड्डी के वजह से मुझे अपने सोशल मीडिया फैमिली से मिलने का मौका मिल रहा है. सोशल मीडिया पे हम लोग से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, उनसे बातें करते हैं, मगर फेस टू फेस मिलने का मौका नहीं मिलता. और मुझे इतने लोग इतना ज़्यादा प्यार देते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, तो मैंने मिस्टर राजीव रेड्डी से कहा कि मुझे प्लीज़ एक मौका दीजिए, किसी तरह आप अरेंज कीजिए. आई वांट टू बी एबल टू मीट देम इन पर्सन एंड इट वाज विद हिज सपोर्ट एंड हिज हेल्प. टुडे some selected few winners of the thousands of people who called, I'm going to be able to meet them. So thank you so much Country Club, and thank you so much Shri Rajiv Reddy ji, who made this possible for me, made this dream come true. And like he said, social media is huge, 4.4 billion followers around the world, and it is a great way to meet new people, interact with them, engage with them, and of course spread the word about brand Country Club. And I think Country Club is going to be able to achieve bigger milestones through the social media route. So here we are, Simran, I, and all of the Country Club family, we are going to do this together. So thank you so much, Mr. Reddy.
Idea was, of course, started from me, and then the team, and then I discussed, and with all the people, my people in the office, I discussed with Shefali, and we all thought that Bombay is the right place because a lot of people are really, fans of Shefali here, and then apart from that, of course, this is Bombay is the beginning of a lot of great things. So we thought, let us start from Bombay and let us see how the idea really goes. And so far, the response has been phenomenal actually. Most of the people actually speaking are not from Bombay. They are scattered from across the country. So I think the first step was Bombay. Maybe Delhi will follow, maybe Calcutta will follow, maybe Bangalore will follow, maybe Hyderabad will follow. So ये तो खाली शुरुआत है.
Shefali, what you have to say about this? It is absolutely a new concept, and we have seen you performing for Country Club during New Year's and all. We also interacted with you, before during the press conference for Happy New Year and all.
So I must tell you something about Mr. Rajiv Reddy. He is great with these new ideas. So when he came up with this idea, I think our synergies were right there. I said, see, this is exactly what even I wanted to do, because the social media following is so strong, but we don't get to interact with the people one-on-one, face-to-face. And just being an artist by myself, मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये कैसे हो पाएगा. And it was Mr. Reddy who came up with this whole idea. He said, okay, we will arrange it for you, because they're always doing great things for the members. I'm a member of Country Club. It's always about the Country Club experience. So I said this will be a fantastic experience for me. And and I don't think it took time. He just quickly takes decisions. He said, okay, let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Let's not waste time. In 2 weeks' time, let's do the first meet and greet. And here we are. So it is all because of him and his energies that everything happens so quickly and happens so well. So thanks to him, and he is always ready to take risks, trying new things out. So I think it worked out pretty well. Pretty well, yeah.
Okay, Shefali, what you look into whenever you associate yourself with any brand or you become a part of any brand? What are the 3 things you look into, being a celebrity, being an actress?
Now that I'm here with Country Club, I'd like to say something. A decade ago, 10 saal pehle, when my first association with Country Club was very professional. Of course it was. I came here, I still remember it was the opening of this club. I performed here and it was very professional. But over the period of time, it is not professional anymore. For me, it is family. For me, it is like coming home. Mr. Reddy is such a dear friend. If there's any time I need an advice, he's always there. He's always there for us. He's always his experiences in life, and he's such an entrepreneur. He's so inspiring. And the Country Club family, they have so much love to give. It's actually overwhelming. overwhelming. You know, they want to see me again, and every time they see me, they have more and more love to give. And Country Club मेरे लिए अभी प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन नहीं है. It's a very personal family like association. आज 10 साल के ऊपर हो गए हैं. I have been associated with the brand Country Club, and I feel it's a very prestigious institution. और मुझे I feel very fortunate कि इतने लंबे समय तक I have been a part of it. And I think largely because now it's not professional, it's like a family relationship with them. आज की तारीख में कंट्री क्लब के 4 लाख से ज़्यादा मेंबर्स हैं. जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी there were a few thousand members, और मुझे इतने ज़्यादा मौके दिए हैं मिस्टर राजीव रेड्डी ने to interact with the members. I think at least 2-3 लाख से तो मैं पर्सनली मिल चुकी हूँ, और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिलता है. They treat you like one of their own, like family. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मज़ा आता है. I'm like a really family person. तो and Country Club always celebrates every occasion, may it be New Year's, Valentine's Day, Christmas, बैसाखी, होली, नवरात्रि. तो हमें भी बहुत मौके मिलते हैं मेंबर्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करने के. So it's great.
मैम, इन द पास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स आप ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो रही हैं मीडिया इंटरैक्शन.
Yeah.
कहना चाहेंगे कि इतना लंबा जो गैप हुआ 2003 में आई थी आप
जी, yeah.
उसके बाद 16 इयर्स, क्या कहना चाहेंगे व्हाट वाज द रीजन फॉर?
I think जो चीज़ें डेस्टिन्ड होती है वो अपने समय से होती हैं. पिछले 10 साल से मैं परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ यहाँ वहाँ सब कुछ, मगर कहीं ना कहीं मेरी लाइफ बहुत मोनोटोनस हो गई थी. मुझे कोई ग्रोथ फील नहीं हो रहा था. नेचुरली फॉर मी फ्रॉम अ डांसर एक्टिंग वाज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. एंड जब मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है अब अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना है, एक्ट करना है, और मुझे अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आने लगी एंड आई पिक इट अप. एंड आई थिंक द ऑडियंस इज़ ऑल्सो एन्जॉइंग इट. मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मुझे ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है एज एन एक्टर. एंड आई विल अश्योर एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू दे आर गोइंग टू सी अ लॉट मोर ऑफ मी इन द कमिंग टाइम.
ओके, वैसा यू नो एक स्पेशल कॉन्सेप्ट भी रखा गया था, कॉन्टेस्ट रखा गया था आपके फैंस के लिए. तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि कैसा रिस्पांस मिला आपके फैंस के साथ?
मतलब देयर वाज समथिंग न्यू दैट वाज conceptualized by Mr. Rajiv Reddy, and it was a risk in a way, but he is always ready to take risks. I went with the idea, my synergies थी वहाँ पे, क्योंकि मैं भी ये मानती हूँ कि now that I'm working so much actively on social media, there are so many lakh people following me. मुझे इच्छा हो रही थी कि क्योंकि they are so positive, there's never a negative comment on my social media, they never troll me. वो मुझे प्यार देते हैं, encourage करते हैं. मैंने कहा I want to meet them personally, but I didn't know how this was going to happen. And when I told Mr. Rajiv Reddy about my wish, he said okay. He was like, you know, वो अलादीन का चिराग होता है ना, okay, dream come true. तो उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, we'll do it for you, and हम उनको यहाँ नहीं बुलाएंगे, हम उनके पास जाएंगे. I think it is something we can do for them. So starting with Mumbai, and here they are. Please come. Here we are. I'm meeting some today. Come, please introduce yourselves.
This is Vikram. Like I have got to know about
Mr.
the
Reddy,
contest on Instagram.
please come.
And today I'm here to meet Shefali Zariwala, and it was my dream to meet her actually. And today the dream came true. Thanks to the team.
He's an engineer. I'm an engineer. Actually, all of them are engineers, Mr. Reddy. You know?
No, actually I'm not an engineer. I'm from commerce.
Yeah,
but
commerce background, but he's working for an IT firm. So they're such. Come. Please introduce yourselves, Mr. Reddy. Come.
Hey, amazing evening. I think it was also today Baisakhi. It was really a fantastic evening. So I'm sure I think all the youngsters have got a great time. And अभी तक शेफाली ने मेरे को मीट एंड ग्रीट नहीं बुलाई. So
no, thank you,
we are the
sir.
lucky
You
ones.
gave us the opportunity. So thank you.
Country Club gave us the opportunity, right?
very good. I mean, Country Club is, I think, is there as a podium, as a platform for a lot of young people to fulfill their dreams. So I think the beginning has been made.
ओके, शिफाली को भी आपके साथ जुड़कर 10 to 11 years हो चुके हैं, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, I think she's one of the best performers. People love her, the audience loves her, Country Club members love her, and she's been a constant support to the brand Country Club. And yeah, that's about it.
ओके शिफाली, आपने वेब स्पेस में कदम रख दिया है अब, और आपका एक नया वेब सीरीज है, बताना चाहेंगे अपने?
Definitely, it's called Boo, सबकी फटेगी. Comedy है, horror comedy है. Something new that has been tried. I think it's the first horror comedy in the web space. बहुत बड़ी वेब सीरीज़ है, being directed by Mr. फराद सामजी, जिन्होंने अभी हाउसफुल 4 डायरेक्ट की है. और बहुत अच्छी स्टार कास्ट है. We have तुषार कपूर, we have मलिका शेरावत, we have कृष्णा, कीकू, myself, Sanjay Mishra ji, Ashwini Kalsekar ji. So it's an ensemble cast and it is a laughing riot. We have just finished shooting, dubbing अभी खत्म हुई है, काफ़ी VFX का काम है and May में we are expecting it to release. So बेबी कमना में सबने बहुत प्यार दिया था, उनको अच्छा भी लगा था. I hope इसमें भी मुझे प्यार मिलेगा.
बात करें अगर एक्टिंग की तो कितना एंजॉय कर रही हैं अपना एक्टिंग का?
So आपको सच बताऊँ तो my first acting stint मैं बहुत ज़्यादा nervous थी, but I think I went with the flow. Co-stars, directors ने बहुत support किया. I saw myself on screen acting. I said, ठीक है, not bad. We can get better than this. अब्बू में किया मैंने, मुझे अच्छा लगा. I hope audiences को भी अच्छा लगा. I feel a lot more confident now. जब audiences प्यार देती हैं तो as an actor also you feel confident and you want to do better work.
Okay, as a dancer वापस आना चाहेंगे?
Always. Once a dancer. आपने आज भी देखा ढोल बजे नहीं कि मेरा dancing शुरू हो गया. So I am always going to be a dancer. मैं मतलब that will always be me. I'm always the Kata Laga girl. That will never change and I love that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.